To answer calls on a Mac, you need to have a device that supports the feature, such as an iPhone or an iPad, and a Mac running macOS High Sierra or later. The first step is to set up the feature on your devices. Go to your iPhone or iPad, open the Settings app, and tap on Phone. Then select Calls on other devices and toggle it on. You will also need to make sure your Mac and iPhone or iPad are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and signed in with the same Apple ID. Next, on your Mac, open the FaceTime app. You can find it in the Applications folder or use Spotlight to search for it. Once you have opened FaceTime, you will see a list of your recent calls and a field to enter a phone number. To answer calls on your Mac, make sure the feature is enabled on your iPhone or iPad and that both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. When you receive a call on your iPhone or iPad, you will also see the call notification on your Mac. To answer the call, simply click on the Accept button in the notification. You can then use your Mac's microphone and speakers to talk to the caller. You can also use a headset or other audio device connected to your Mac if you prefer. In addition to answering calls, you can also make calls from your Mac using the FaceTime app. Simply open FaceTime, enter the phone number of the person you want to call, and click on the Call button. It is also important to note that you can only answer calls on your Mac if your iPhone or iPad is turned on and connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If your iPhone or iPad is turned off or not connected to the Wi-Fi network, you will not be able to answer calls on your Mac. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily answer calls on your Mac and stay connected with your friends, family, and colleagues.